Ever wondered if that delicious meal you just paid for also earned you some sweet cashback? You know, the kind that magically appears for your next purchase, making you feel like a savvy spender? It's a fantastic feeling, isn't it? But then comes the question, where exactly does that partner cashback from a FavePay transaction go? Is it lurking in some hidden corner of your app, waiting to be discovered, or is it instantly applied? And more importantly, how do you actually see it and confirm you've got it? For anyone who's ever used FavePay with their Kayaaku app, this is a familiar thought. You're at your favorite cafe, you scan the FavePay Do It Now QR code, confirm the amount, and boom, payment successful. The receipt pops up, sometimes with a little notification about cashback earned. But for those of us who like to keep a close eye on our finances, or just want to confirm that the system is working its magic, finding that exact cashback amount can be a bit of a treasure hunt. The good news is, finding your FavePay partner cashback on Kayaaku is incredibly straightforward once you know where to look. It's not hidden behind multiple menus or obscure settings. In fact, Kayaaku has designed the app to make this information easily accessible, right where you'd expect to find details about your transactions. So, let's dive into the simple steps to unveil your earned cashback. First things first, you'll need your Kayaaku app open and ready to go. Make sure you're logged in, of course. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a few icons there. Think of them as your main navigation hub. Among these, you're looking for the history icon. It's usually represented by a clock or a similar symbol, indicating past activities. Tap on that. This history section is your financial diary within the Kayaaku app. It lists all your past transactions, from payments to top-ups. Now, scroll through your transaction list and find the specific FavePay transaction that you want to check for cashback. Once you've located it, simply tap on that particular transaction. And just like magic, a detailed breakdown of that transaction will appear on your screen. This breakdown isn't just about the amount you paid, it also includes any FavePay partner cashback that you earned from that specific purchase. You'll see it clearly displayed within these transaction details. It's usually itemized separately, making it easy to spot and confirm. It's that simple. No convoluted paths, no deep diving into settings. Just a quick tap into your transaction history, and all the details, including your hard-earned cashback, are laid out for you. This allows you to track your savings and ensure you're getting all the benefits from your FavePay transactions. It's a great way to stay on top of your spending and appreciate those small, but significant, rewards. Remember, this partner cashback is typically tied to the specific merchant where you earned it, meaning you can use it to offset your next FavePay transaction at that same partner within a specified validity period. So, knowing exactly how much you've accumulated helps you plan your next visit and maximize those savings. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.